Have you ever experienced that when you step in someone's house and it gives you a feeling like, wow, this is the house that I want? Today I'm excited to show you this amazing, incredible semi-detached house in Lorong, Zaaba. Here we go. This 3.85 million semi-detached house comes with 5,084 square feet land size and is just 3 minutes walking distance to the shops and banks nearby. The house has been renovated 15 years ago and is with 6+1 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, which is perfect for big families to stay. I specifically like the house with good natural light. For this beautiful spot, I can spend my whole daytime just to sit here. There's a huge dining area and dry wet kitchen. If you are a person who likes cooking, I'm sure you must be enjoying your cooking over here. Let's go to the second floor. Wow, can you feel the space? The upstairs is nicely extended and the living area has so much of potential. The upstairs is with 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. With these numbers of bedrooms, it offers your family with more personal space. The best part I love about the house is the master bedroom. It's so spacious and most important, it comes with a large wardrobe room which every lady dream of. Want to find out more? Head to our website and schedule a viewing with us today. See you in my next video where I discuss US recent news on reducing their OPR rate.